Hi, this is my review on the Comfort Grip two-way hose connector. This connector, it comes as shown. It has on and off valves, whereas as you can see, I have only one hose connected. And if I cut the water on, you don't see any water coming out this second faucet because I have the valve turned off. Now, if I turn this valve on, you will see the water start to come out. So you can actually use this with 1 or 2 water hoses. I give this 5 stars. It actually comes with 3 extra washers, and it also has a limited time warranty on it. I highly recommend this. This is my 5-star review of the Comfort Grip two-way hose connector.